Hey guys, I am back today with a new plate from a Lantern and Wren. This is Dab to the Bone, a fun little play on Bad to the Bone there. And this is a Halloween plate. So we've got fun little Halloween candies here that you'd use that for Christmas too, depending on the colors, or, you know, any kind of candy event, a birthday party like with piñatas, that kind of thing. This one's definitely Halloween with the ghosties and the cauldrons and all that stuff. Love this. It's kind of like the Scream, but all together. Some little bats, some little skeleton heads, pumpkins that you could stamp just like that, or you could color these in with various shades of, you know, orange or whatever kind of other squashy type things you want to do. Love the take on the hearts, like kind of a twisted heart situation. Possibly my favorite image on the whole plate is this little guys. They're so cute. They're like, I don't know, they're like b-boy skeletons. It's like the best thing ever. Chevron, good bold Halloween colors. Manicures always look good with chevrons, I think, behind your other images, or mixed and matched on your other fingers. And then we've got another like full nail one that you can play around with. Some of these hearts with little lightning bolts. And then this one, the images are solid. So if you if you don't want to go in lead light or something like that, you can get a more kind of solid effect. This is so cute with the wings. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And then the eyes. So you do fun things with like creepy colored hollows to get creepy colored eyes with that one. That's a lot of fun. And then another one here that's got this full nail kind of collage-y effect. And then down here we get all of our little mix and match stuff that goes with those other images. This one, I guess we've got kind of different kinds of ghosties there, and kind of like another type of twisted Halloween heart. So there's a couple of different ones there that you can combine together. And then this one with the RIPs. I think that one might be my favorite of the collage-y sort of overall images here. And then like you've got scary. So you could put that one on each of your nails and do scary across your nails. Same thing with trick or treat. You could do one hand that says treat, one hand that does trick. That could be really, really cute. And then hats to match with, you know, some of your other images up here that have like hats in them. There were a couple that had hats, weren't there? Now I'm trying to find all the hats. Anyway, you get the point. Some little candies and that little ghost with the wings up there to match that one, and the boo to match that one. The little kind of werewolfy guy, the witches. So all of the little elements from these others, so you can mix and match and have, you know, one nail that's covered in the full nail image, and then have one or two of these on another nail doing its little thing. Your eyeballs, oh my gosh, so cute. And then you've got a couple of little, you got a little layering pumpkin here, and then a couple more that like aren't layering. Oh, the finger with the bone. Oh my gosh, so, so, so cute. So just all kinds of fun stuff that you can combine, put together, and play around with for your Halloween manis. Okay, so let me go do a couple of looks. Alright, so here's the first look. I wanted to try it out over that purple hollow and get kind of a sparkly effect, and I like that, but it made me think, well, green eyes are kind of creepier. So I figured, let me try it over green. So I put a purple over green instead, and I do think that looks like a little bit more like alien eyes staring out of the dark. So I think I like them both, but I like this one. Then I just had to try out this vampire heart thing over this gorgeous orange hollow, and I love this. I think this is a cute look for Halloween. I would wear this on Valentine's Day. Yes, I know I'm twisted and sick, but it's true, I would. That's all there is to it. And look at this little ghost guy flying in like this haunted attic with this little light, little candle in the background. I think this is adorable, and like I would do this just with the full black mani and just have this as an accent nail, and I think that would be such a cute, subtle look. I mean, of course, you could do a whole scene over each of the nails and do a different thing, which would be adorable too. But sometimes I'm just in the mood for something just like really cute on one nail, and this is the kind of thing I would totally do in that case. So here is a quick look at all four of them. I think this is just an adorable plate with lots of potential. So check it out. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.